Not the end. Not the end. Now you're going touching the different knot.
Okay.
This
This part.
The raised is seen as an hindrance, but it's seen as a blessing because it's also a structure about water and before water, around water. Thank you for coming. Let me begin with being silent for a minute.
Conservation of development is because really support is happening in the country. Conservation having always happened these sectors across Delhi, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Maybe it is because in the south. Then we got how do we translate this into a learning? How do we from the various background that we come. There are a lot of discussion between me and partner, why should we do this and why should we not do this? One thing that we realized at the end of the discussion is that we never had an opportunity at the start when we were doing this. And it's definitely necessary for the generation next to get the opportunity to learn and experience as a so that sort of perspective we must take on. And when I say that, more like a friend. So as a kid, I did not address my parents as, mom or dad or only papa. Whatever the connection they do addressing your parents are. I address them by their first names. Or what I am so the joint families or whatever my grandparents would call them. So my mother's name is Manju, so she was called Manju, and Anupam's short form was Pampam. So I always addressed both of them like that. Later, of course, as I grew up, I was slightly corrupted by, I think, by my neighbors and some people somewhere else. So then I started calling them. But people later, when I really had to get their attention, I was called them by their name. So that was and then also both of them really like that. When it comes to this work, I would want to use to words to sort of capture some of the elements. One word is to or probably if you are go is Anand or joy. I pray for all of you for water to always be lighting and bringing to all the light for
So starting with a list of 33 predecessors that we got from the ESI, where we actually started work. Today we found more than 230 wells And we have all these locations, and maybe there are more than 600 races in Telangana. I haven't even covered most of the districts yet. So we thought we'll do a series of books. Obviously, we cannot do an entire book in this. But it was your intent is to document it in a book so that people would know about it. And this intent is also that people would take it up for conservation, or people will know about it, and the government will show a lot of interest once they see a proper. So it is not a complicated book we are doing. It's a proper, research book where everything is research, right from history to stories to the material, the context in terms of hydrology, and how did they play a role in those, and what are the different layers in history that the women has seen.
और ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। सूरज को धरती तर से, धरती को चंद्रमा, धरती को चंद्रमा, पानी में सीप जैसे प्यासी हर आत्मा, प्यासी हर आत्मा। ओ मितवारे पानी में सीप जैसे प्यासी हर आत्मा, बूंद छुपी किस बादल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना, कोई जाने ना। अनजाने होठों पर ये पहचाने गीत है, पहचाने गीत है। कल के जो बेगाने थे, जन्मों के मीत है, जन्मों के मीत है। ओ मितवारे कल के जो बेगाने थे, जन्मों के मीत है। क्या होगा कौन से पल में, कोई जाने ना।
Some of the ladies that I met here. So I was in Paris recently, and one of the most breathtaking things, my biggest takeaway from Paris, for me, of course, besides business, which is what I went for, the architectural beauty of the city and how well the country has been able to maintain it and how well the heritage structures have been maintained is something truly admirable. So therefore, what you guys have done here, with very little support from the government, very, very little, all done by the civil society, the design forum, the Gandhi Welfare Society, and we also had the rainwater project, and of course we had like Arunima was just telling us, we had sculptors and I think artisans coming all the way from down south Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Yes. Kerala as well and Karnataka. So to all of them, to all the people, 200
80 plus.
45 people.
45 working over 280
282 days.
So 282 days and 45 amazing artists. Kudos to all of them. और एक में सभी लोग मिलकर हम लोग लोकल कम्युनिटी के उनको जोड़ के इसमें इसका हिफाजत करेंगे और इसके साथ ही साथ अभी हमें बताया गया था कि 280 से ज्यादा ऐसे यहाँ पे आपके स्टेपवेल तेलंगाना में और हैदराबाद के अगल बगल इतराफ में। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपका साथ ऐसे ही मिलेगा और हम भी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जिस हद तक हो सका उस हद तक कोशिश करेंगे कि जल्द से जल्द रेस्टोरेशन हो जाए। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका कि आपको बुलावा दिया। Compliment and congratulate the entire team. You know, I think the number of people I have not named. I think my compliments to all of them as well. There are a lot of
गुलदस्ता बना हर में हर को देखा
करुणा करने शिव शंकरने गतिवेरिल्लै ईशा कपाली करुणा करने शिव शंकरने गतिवेरिल्लै ईशा कपाली करुणा करने शिव शंकरने।